Students, good morning. Today I am going to solve a problem by using truncated form of Virial equation. Truncated form of Virial equation. The problem is calculate the compressibility factor and molar volume of methanol vapor at a temperature of 500 degree Kelvin and at a pressure of 10 bar by using truncated form of Virial equation. The experimental values of virial coefficients B and C are given. Now I am going to find first molar volume of methanol vapor, and using the molar volume of methanol vapor I am going to calculate the compressibility factor. Okay, Virial equation of state. Compressibility factor Z is equal to PV by RP. It is equal to 1 plus V by V plus C by V square. Clear? Now I am going to find the volume. So volume V is equal to R into T divided by P into 1 plus V divided by V plus C divided by V square. Calculating molar volume by directly is not possible in this equation, because on both sides, left hand side and right hand side, molar volume V term is present. So trial and error method. Only by means of trial and error method we can calculate the molar volume. R value 8.314 into temperature 500 degree Kelvin divided by pressure 10 bar. I am in need of Newton per meter square. Hence 10 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square into 1 plus B term is given, minus of, I am going to use directly minus sign, minus of 2.19 into 10 to the power of minus 4 whole divided by V minus 1.73 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by V square. First, I have to make assumption for molar volume. This is the assumed value. If I am supposed to submit a value, the value is called as assumed value. The assumed value as well as predicted value. If it is both are equal, your assumption is correct. Otherwise, you have to go for one more trial. For assumption, better you can use ideal gas law. So PV is equal to nRT. For 1 mole of gas, PV is equal to RT. For V, R into T divided by P. It is equal to 8.314 into 500 divided by 10 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. The answer is 4.157. 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per mole. Now I am going to substitute this value here. This is the assumed value. This assumed value is substituted here, and I am going to find the molar volume. It is call it as calculated value. If both are same, your assumption is correct. Okay, right? What is the answer? So this answer becomes 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 1 minus 2.19 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 1.73 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3, the square. Now the answer is 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per mole. Your assumed value is 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Your predicted value is 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So both are not same. In such a situation, you have to go for one more trial. You have to go for one more trial. In the next trial, I am going to use this value instead of this value. I am going to use this value. I am going to substitute here. So V is equal to this one, 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1 minus 2.19 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by this value, 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus of 1.73 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the square. Now what is the value? What is the answer? The second trial becomes 3.921. 3.921 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per mole. Again, the second trial, your assumed value is 3.934 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Your predicted value 3.921 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Both are not same. Hence, I am going to go for one more trial. Again, V is equal to 4.157 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1 minus 2.19 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by, instead of 3.934, I am going to assume this value. So 3.921 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus of 1.73 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by 3.921 into 10 to the power of minus 3 the square. What is the answer? Now the third trial answer is 3.92. 3.920 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per mole. Almost same. Your assumed value is 3.921. Your predicted value is 3.920 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is the correct value. Molar volume of methanol vapor. Molar volume of methanol vapor. For confirmation, you have to go one more trial by assuming V is 3.920 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Your assumed value will be the predicted value. The fourth trial, the same will be happen. Okay, now molar volume is ready. Next, compressibility factor. Compressibility factor Z is equal to PV divided by R into T. Z is equal to pressure 10 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. V stands for molar volume, just now predicted 3.920 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 8.314 joules per mole degree Kelvin or Newton meter per mole degree Kelvin into temperature 500 degree Kelvin. The answer is 0.9. Compressibility factor Z is equal to 0.943. It is a dimensionless. Compressibility is nothing but ratio of actual volume divided by volume of real gas under ideal condition. Thank you.